beauty of the nature and the beauty of the heron birds. You are watching the video of heron birds. Heron birds are migratory birds which travel from one continent to another continent. They have long legs, long neck, a long beak. They have the capacity to travel a long distance. But due to the cruel activity of the society of some countries, they stop their migration. Dear friends, love this video and love this bird, and please subscribe and like. These are heron birds which make the forest beautiful. It is a matter of great happiness that these birds are increasing in their number. Due to the hunting, many of the family of these birds were killed by the human society. But now we are fortunate enough by the extreme labor of the bird lovers